Summer vibes incoming in 3, 2, 1. Let's crochet this delicious watermelon rug together. Great for the balcony or your patio, the kids' room or other rooms that could use some color and a touch of summer. You will need the Hobbii ribbon yarn in these colors. Please note that red will be needed 3 times, as well as a 6.5mm crochet hook or US size K. You can find the link to our great ribbon yarn and the free PDF pattern for download in the video description box below. Let's get started. We are going to start with the red color. Make a magic ring, and then in round 1 you're going to chain 3. Those 3 chains count as the first double crochet, and this is followed by 9 double crochet into the magic ring. Please note that throughout the pattern we will always start each round by chaining 3. And those 3, they count as the first double crochet of the round. In addition, 10 stitches are increased in each round. So in round 1 we have 10 stitches, 20 stitches in round 2, and 30 stitches in round 3, and so on. You finish the first round with 1 slip stitch in the 3rd chain of the beginning. Round 2, start by chaining 3 and crochet 1 double crochet into the same stitch. And this is followed by 1 increase that you will crochet a total of 9 times. And an increase means that you crochet 2 double crochet into 1 stitch. Finish the second round with 1 slip stitch in the 3rd chain, and we're up to 20 stitches now. Round 3, start by chaining 3 and then we will crochet the following sequence 9 times. 1 increase and then 1 double crochet in the next stitch. The round is finished by 1 increase and 1 slip stitch in the 3rd chain. We're up to 30 stitches now. In round 4 we will start with 3 chains counting as the first double crochet, 1 increase, and the sequence 2 double crochet and 1 increase 9 times. Great job so far! And the round is finished by 1 double crochet at the end, as well as the slip stitch. For round 5, with a total of 50 stitches, you start by chaining 3, followed by 2 double crochet into the next 2 stitches, 1 increase, and then the following sequence 9 times. 3 double crochet in the 3 next stitches and 1 increase in the 4th stitch. You'll finish this with 1 slip stitch in the 3rd chain. As I said before, each round is started by chaining 3, which count as the first double crochet. From now on I will announce the 3 chains as the first double crochet. So for example in round 6 we have to start with 2 double crochet, which is chain 3 and 1 double crochet, 1 increase, and then the sequence of 4 double crochet and 1 increase 9 times. At the end there's space for 2 more double crochet and then the slip stitch to finish the round. And then we have 60 stitches. For round 7, crochet 5 double crochet and 1 increase, a total of 10 times. Finish with the slip stitch at the end. Round 8 will be 3 double crochet and 1 increase, and then 6 double crochet and 1 increase, a total of 9 times. And then there's space for 3 more double crochet at the end of the round. Round 9 consists of 7 double crochet into the next 7 stitches and 1 increase, and you do that a total of 10 times. Finish with a slip stitch and you have 90 stitches for round 9. Round number 10. Start by 4 double crochet and 1 increase, and then we crochet 8 double crochet and 1 increase 9 times, and this is followed by 4 double crochet at the end. And we already have 100 stitches in this round. For round 11 we crochet 9 double crochet and 1 increase, a total of 10 times. Which place would you like to prettify with this lovely rug? Write it in the comment section. Round 12, 5 double crochet, 1 increase, and then you crochet 10 double crochet and 1 increase 9 times. 5 more double crochet to fill up round number 12. Round 13, 11 double crochet and 1 increase times 10. 130 stitches for this round. Well done! Round 14, we start by 6 double crochet and 1 increase, and then the sequence 12 double crochet and 1 increase, a total of 9 times, followed by 6 double crochet at the end. 140 stitches in total. Round 15, an easy one again. You just have to crochet 13 double crochet and 1 increase 10 times. Remember, you're almost done. Round number 16, we start off by 7 double crochet and 1 increase. This is followed by 14 double crochet and 1 increase times 9, and 7 double crochet at the end. Round 17 with 170 stitches in total. This comes very close to a workout in my opinion. 15 double crochet and 1 increase 10 times. Round 18, 8 double crochet in the first 8 stitches, and then this is followed by an increase. 16 double crochet and 1 increase will be crocheted 9 times, and then 8 double crochet. Round number 19 with 190 stitches, you are just going to crochet 17 double crochet and 1 increase times 10. Round 20, 9 double crochet to begin with and 1 increase, and then we continue by 18 double crochet and 1 increase times 9 and 9 double crochet to finish the round. We have 200 stitches now. Round 21 with 19 double crochet and 1 increase. You do that a total of 10 times until the end of the round. Round 22, 10 double crochet, 1 increase, and this is followed by 20 double crochet and 1 increase times 9, and then 10 double crochet at the end of the round. Round 23, crochet 21 double crochet followed by 1 increase, a total of 10 times. We are now going to change to the white color. Round 24, start by 11 double crochet and 1 increase, then 9 times 22 double crochet and 1 increase, and then followed by 11 double crochet at the end. Time for some mint color, and remember, you are almost done. Round 25, 23 double crochet and 1 increase times 10. Round 26, 12 double crochet and 1 increase, followed by 9 times 24 double crochet and 1 increase. And at the end, 12 double crochet to finish the round. Let's switch to grass green. Round 27, 25 double crochet and 1 increase times 10. And in round 28, finally, we are doing something else. Start by chaining 5, skip the next 4 stitches, and crochet a slip stitch afterwards. Then chain 4 and again skip 4 stitches. You will repeat the following sequence until the end of the round. 1 slip stitch, chain 4 and skip the next 4 stitches. You will finish this round with 1 slip stitch in the first chain. Now these little cute bows are created in which we are going to crochet in round number 29. 3 single crochet, chain 1 and 3 single crochet in every chain space the entire round around. Wow, this looks great! At the end, you're going to finish with 1 slip stitch into the first stitch. Now it's time to weave in all the ends and embroider the seats on the rug using the black color of ribbon. For the best result, I recommend blocking your masterpiece or iron it on low temperature on the backside. finally, we are done with our watermelon rug. I just love the outcome of this and I can't wait to use it on my balcony, maybe while eating a slice of watermelon. Like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss any yarny content from us. Until then, happy summer and happy crocheting!